Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can visit into this Dialogflow website. The thing is, if you try to search Dialogflow in the Google, it will not bring us to that website. For example, if I select this Dialogflow here, it is bringing us to this Google Cloud. Okay, now how we can visit into Dialogflow? The solution will be, I will include the link in the video description and then visit to that. So by that way you can visit into this Dialogflow. I'm going to create my agent, so I'm going to select my project, uh, create a new Google project, and I will create. Okay, agent training is started. Alright,